Hi, Dan here from Pink Elephant's marketing team. So today I am interviewing one of Pink's world-renowned consultants about a new certification course that we will be offering called Agile Scrum Product Owner. It is the newest addition to our ever-growing Agile Scrum portfolio of courses. And for a more detailed look at our Agile Scrum courses, you can visit our website at pinkelephant.com for all the details you need. But now I am so excited to introduce one of Pink Elephant's top IT management consultants and one of the major contributing Agile Scrum course content developers, Beverly Parker. Beverly, thank you so much for taking the time to answer these questions, and I'm just going to jump right into the first one. So Beverly, how does the new Agile Scrum Product Owner course align with Pink Elephant's portfolio of Agile courses?
Thanks, Dan. Our Agile Scrum Product Owner course is the third course in our Agile portfolio. We first released Agile Scrum Essentials, which is the basics of Agile and Scrum, and then our Agile Scrum Master course. Now we have the Agile Scrum Product Owner, which is actually the first of two Product Owner courses. This one is going to go into the basic understanding of what a product owner is and what they do. And then in the second course, we're going to dig deeper. It's going to be much more practical, where we dig into how do you execute all of these different activities. That will then be followed by our fifth course, which will be the Agile Scrum Developer.
Wow, so it seems like there's actually lots of stuff for customers to be excited about going down the road of Agile in the near future. That's great. So now, why should our customers, especially those in IT service management roles, be embracing the teachings of Agile? Or is it all just for developers?
Actually, Dan, Agile is no longer just for software development. Think about it. Agility is about being flexible. It's about being able to adapt so that we can respond to customers' needs in a way that results in higher quality, earlier delivery, at lower cost. These are three things that everyone in IT is focused on today. So the Agile and Scrum practices can be adapted to any type of work in IT or even the business.
So what I'm hearing is not only is Agile not just for developers, but it's actually for anyone in IT. That's great. So tell me, what kind of practical guidance does the new Agile Scrum Product Owner course have to offer? And is this practical guidance beneficial?
Our product owner course has been developed with lots of discussions and exercises so that our attendees can actually practice the techniques that we're teaching in this course. We want them to get their feet wet, if you will, by defining vision statements, identifying stakeholder outcomes and value propositions for the products, and even creating some product backlog contents. This is going to help prepare them for the activities in the real world of a product owner.
Wow, so it seems like attendees really will get a lot of practical learning from this course, and even getting to practice their future tasks as product owners sounds really beneficial. So now you mentioned the real world activities of the product owner. So tell us, what kind of key accountabilities the product owner will have that differ from, say, that of a product manager or a Scrum Master?
The product owner has two primary accountabilities according to the 2020 Scrum Guide, against which our course has been developed. They are, first, to maximize the value of the product that the Scrum team is actually delivering, and second, to effectively manage the product backlog. Now, the product manager role, if in fact it is separate from product owner, which in some organizations that is the case, typically takes the more strategic side of the product. So, developing a product strategy, perhaps developing the vision and a roadmap, though the product owner can participate in those activities. The product manager does not typically then take responsibility for the development and delivery of the product. That falls to the product owner. And then we have the Scrum Master. Now, the Scrum Master's primary objective and accountability is to help the Scrum team, and in particular the product owner, be successful. And that means, number one, making sure that all the members of the Scrum team and even the greater organization really understand Agile and Scrum as a new way of working. And then second, over time, to ensure that the effectiveness of the Scrum team continues to improve.
Excellent. That was certainly a deep dive of an answer to that question. And it really seems like a product owner would be a very valuable part of an organization's Agile Scrum team. So this is the last question. What do you think makes Pink Elephant so uniquely positioned to be offering this new course?
As you know, Dan, Pink Elephant has long been a leader in the world of IT service management. And we understand the role that Agile and Scrum can play beyond software development. Our vast experience and understanding of the challenges that IT faces today allows us to offer this course and the other Agile courses in a way that supports the expansion of Agile and Scrum into other areas of IT and even the business. The individual and group exercises that are part of this course are intended to be thought-provoking as well as educational, so that we might get people to open their eyes to the benefits of embracing a new way of working. One last thing I want to add. Our course includes a self-assessment for our attendees to measure themselves against some of the key skills and traits that a product owner needs in order to be effective and successful. They can take those results and actually look at what might they need to do in terms of self-development to further prepare themselves to take on the role of a product owner.
Thank you so much for answering these questions, Beverly. You did an amazing job. Thanks again. And to everybody watching, if you have any further questions regarding the new Agile Scrum Product Owner course that Pink Elephant is offering, you can go to our website for more details, like I said, or you can contact us by email or by phone at Pink Elephant. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you so much again. Goodbye.